Hey guys, it's G123 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just gonna do some gameplay with, third episode today basically. I'm gonna do gameplay with possessed acts, like, a lot. If the video ends and I'm still talking, then you know that I'm done. But yeah, possessed acts. Last episode, 2 episodes ago, I said that I got possessed acts, and I did. And I'm doing gameplay of it. So yeah, it's really cool. I think if any of you guys get it, you should be prepared that it is insane looking. And that if you ever get it, be sure to know that it's distracting. Oh. It's distracting. Oh. What? No! Poop killer! Why poop killer? Poop killer's a scammer. Just kidding, it's not a scammer. Yeah. I have a lot of comments. Ones I like. Cow, not to do. Shark. Yeah. And good sparkle time. The thing is, I don't really like Doombringer. I'd rather trade for a fairy, but no one here has anything good. Danny Boy, Crafty have nothing. Yeah, none of these players have anything good. Yeah, Poop Killer just goes out of nowhere and kill you when you're like, yeah, I'm gonna win. I see a lot of noobs who come in saying, how do you throwing a knife? How you throw your knife? Your knife? Oh, so you substitute town. I just say, oh, you left click. And they say, oh, okay, and they say, 5 seconds later, how do you throw? How do you melee? Well, that's easy. You just they look almost the exact same. They're almost identical. It's just they have different shirts on, so it's hard to tell. Just why can't I get up here? One like equals one rip. One layak. Let's get it. Die! Yes! He's probably like, how did I lose that? Guys, I'm so close to prestige 14. This is like a once in a lifetime. I'm gonna call this Charlie. Where's Charlie? Charlie. No, I want to do rooms. I need to level up quickly. Because I won last round because I'm the highest and no one's leaving, so. If I just kill all these players, I'll be good. Okay, here's Razor Hit. Dreadful Ninja. He's the second highest who is not AFK. Which is pretty surprising because he's only prestige 2. That says Danny Boy, right? Yeah, this is Danny Boy. No. Danny Boy is hacking. Just putting it out there. Just kidding. He's not hacking. It's just, I messed up. And he's like, oh my gosh, I get it! I got a kill! And then I see him in the lobby. See? Wait. There's 2 Danny Boys! Wait, is there 2 Danny Boys? No, there's only one Danny Boy in here. No, there's 2 Danny boys! What is this? Look, it's the twins, except this guy has a freaking thing on his face. I think he's tasting it. Well, I'm looking at this inventory. This is like the highest level player on the server, but he's AFK. He's Elegant Blade, Champion Blade, Travis, Spring Saber, Neon Nature, 2 Holiday Blades, a Possessed Axe, Bone Axe. These are his best. Those are his best exotics. And he's got some exotic blade. Crimson Drake is actually rare, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me check the value list. Value list! So, pets. Let's check. I think he's like worth. Yeah. Whoa! 5 tier 1 exotics? That's when you know if you have like, if your friend gives you like his and your 2 other friends give you his. You basically have a possessed axe. Sorry, a corrupted axe in your. If you have a corrupted axe, basically. If you have like, he's AFK and you don't even have anything good. So, camper noob. Ah! Oh. He's dead. Oh, this is my assassin. This is my assassins. You tried to kill me. Let's do this, Charlie. Yeah. Hello. GG. Playing assassin. I'm just gonna use possessed axe. Or, actually. Yeah. I'll just keep doing this. But Charlie? I'm gonna have to go for Dave. People are probably like, oh my gosh! I bet my thing's flooding with trade requests, but I turned them off because I don't like trading. Because no one good is on the server, so I can't trade them. No. No. You have nothing. Nothing that I want. Nothing good. That's more appropriate. And nothing I want. If I look at his inventory, he doesn't have anything. He's like, he's a noob. So, I think if I win this, I get, whenever you win, you get extra. Lol, this guy's noob. Lol, you have. Hey babe, I have to go to the store so you can. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm so close, guys. I'm still second on the server because I've been on this. That's M. Four. Because I don't think he has anything. The guy who asked me was, he has nothing! Why are you saying fart in the chat? Bart! It's not funny whatsoever. You just trying to be so rude. Well, I'm not being rude. I am the best on the server. Someone else is, because the other guy, AFK. So that makes me. Oh my gosh. Oh. I just wrecked that bit. This guy's trying to outplay with me? He's trying to outplay me? No, he's hiding. No. Well, this guy's dead. Ah! He was like, no, I'm gonna hide here and then I'm gonna win. Well, no! I win. I'm gonna get to it. I know I don't have a dominance. This is just, I like it. Mixer B, Shoutouts to you. You're good. You're very good YouTuber. It's good. Or I'm not really gonna trade you. So you have nothing on one. Yeah, no. Neon? No. I'm not gonna argue with this guy. I'm just gonna say no. That's all I'm gonna say until, like, a free NI. That sucks. Hey babes, I gotta go now, so you guys. Hey babes, I gotta go now, so you guys. Why you always lying? He's hiding in the top. He's hiding in back room. He's hiding in back room. Camping. Oh, if he died. Lol. GG. Hey babes, I gotta go now, so guys. Why you gotta be so rude? I've only opened comments for like the past hour. So, I can make one rare. Almost two. Is this Ahmao? They messed up. Ahmao. They put Ahmao, not Ahmao. They put Ahmao. That's not how you type it in the data. Oh my gosh, I see the camper. I'm just gonna act like I'm not going for him and then. He was just like, hopefully nobody goes for me. I'm just gonna hide here for now. Oh. Hi babes, I gotta go to mall, so you better. Hi. I have to go eat dinner, so I have to go. I'm recording! I don't care about. Sorry, that's just my dad. Yeah, he's just being weird. Yeah, don't mind my dad, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna close my door. That's embarrassing, because, lol, bye. Oh, yes, I did it. I did it. Bye, guys. I'm done with this game right now. I'm done with this game.